Take a ride in the 2015 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, day-night rear view mirror, tilt steering wheel, cloth seat trim, engine immobilizer, tinted glass, sliding rear window, black door handles, 4-piece floor mat set. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.